as you can see, it is time for System Test 4 with the Simplex 4010 fire alarm system. So we're just going to jump right into it. If we go down to the pull station, you can see we have a Simplex 425120 pull station. Very nice vintage unit there. If we go down here, I don't know if I've ever shown this or not, but I have this Simplex NAC panel installed here. I'll get my keys out. It's not connected to anything, it's not even plugged in, but if I get my keys out, I'll show you the inside of it. But, you know, there's nothing much going on in there. Might do something with that at some point, though. Continuing right along, if we go up to the horn strobe, you can see we have my Simplex 2901-9806 horn, or one of them. Trying to focus on the label there. There we go. You can see the label on there. And that horn is on a Simplex 4903-9105, I believe, strobe plate. It's a Gentex strobe. It's just mounted onto a plate. Very interesting. The strobe is about 110 candela, and the horn is going to be doing march time. Same smoke detectors, 4098-9714s on 4098-9792 bases. So, I think we'll go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and pull the T-bar. That horn is nice and loud, so go ahead and grab my smoke spray and we'll spray one of these smokes. Hopefully that's enough and it doesn't set off any of the other detectors. It actually activated both of those at once, which is kind of fun. Alright, so we'll go ahead and reset this pull station. Get my Simplex key out here. Nice and easy. And maybe if we're lucky, those smokes will have cleared out by now. Hard to say, but we will go ahead and reset. It's a pretty neat little setup if you ask me, with that horn and strobe plate. Don't see it very much. Alright, go ahead and exit clear out of that, and we are done with the test for today. So, as always, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Thank you and have a great day.